how to improve your LinkedIn profile. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can improve your LinkedIn profile and make it professional and stand out. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to linkedin.com and create your own account. LinkedIn is an amazing platform that all works as a social media and helps you find jobs as well. You can actually create your own very professional LinkedIn, and it really helps you with your business. And if you are an entrepreneur, whatever you are doing, you can actually create a LinkedIn. It's an amazing platform. If you are already on LinkedIn, you might know it, and all of the business people and investors, they have a LinkedIn profile, and you make connection with people that really helps you grow your business. So I have created this account just for you. This is a completely new account that I have created, and as a beginner, this is what your profile will look like. So today I will actually show you how we're gonna increase our profile. Like, this is what my profile is right now. It's not good at all. So we will actually make it professional. So why you need to do that? Well, it's really important. You can check out all of the professional websites. Let's open up this profile right here, and let me give you a review how a professional website looks like. So this is a very professional profile that I have opened up. You can see right here, this is the name, the headline. Then we have all of the different options. You can see they have a lot of followers, up to 2 million. All of the details are given right here. So this is what a professional profile looks like. This is what we want. So how you can do that now? First, I want you to do is simply go to view profile and open up your profile that you have right now. Okay, so this is your new profile that you have created. It will look exactly like this because this is also a very new profile. So first thing you can see right here, this is actually your achievements. Right now I am at beginner. We want it to be 7 by 7. This is our goal, and we need to add different details. We need to create a banner image, a good profile picture. So let's start with a profile picture. You need to upload a professional picture. That's the first thing, that's the visual. Everything, whatever you create, for example, you create a profile, the first thing that people see is your profile picture, and we want it to be professional. You can see right here, everybody has kind of like a very professional profile. So what I want you to do is simply click right here and add a photo from your computer, and it should be professional looking. So I have uploaded this image right here. It looks professional. So I'm gonna adjust this image right here. So this profile actually looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. We have zoom option, we have straightener, we have filters and adjust as well, but I think this is good, so I'm gonna keep this one right here and click on save photo. So just for the video purpose, I'm using this image. You will of course upload your own image, a professional image. If you do not have an image, go to studio and get your image taken, and then it will be good. Now we have to add a banner image as well. So for the banner image, you can add any kind of like your interest. You can actually add a picture of the team, whatever you want to. So for the video purpose, I'm gonna again upload any image from my computer. I'm gonna add this image right here. It is a quotation, so I think it will look good, a quote in the background. So for now, I think this will look actually pretty good. So we have right here, dream so big you get uncomfortable. Okay, so I'm gonna click on done and it will be added. So we have this image right here as a background, and we have a profile. So now my profile is kind of like getting together, right? So now we have the name. Again, I have added just a very random name, so I'm gonna actually write a good headline. This is really, really important that you go with your own first name and last name. So I'm gonna go with Alexa. There you go. And I'm going to click on save. Okay, so this is my name now. It looks good. Then we have contact info. So contact info is going to be this. Again, we have this right here. So I'm going to click on right here. And then let's check out what did we miss. Okay, so after the name, that's why I'm feeling like what's missing. So after the name, scroll down. Pronouns. You can add your pronouns as well. So I'm going to go with this one. Add LinkedIn members if you want to. Then headline is really, really important. This is what I want to tell you. that adding a headline, what you do is really important on LinkedIn, and it will help you create a professional website. This is what we need to do. Most of the people kind of like write anything here, but you need to keep everything right, and be very creative with it and be precise, so that whenever somebody will click on your profile looks inviting and you look interesting. Okay, let's go with marketing agent. Okay, let's go with the channel name, the social guide. Okay, so for now I'm gonna go with this one. This is actually a pretty good headline right here. So we have current position, we have add a new position. So industry is going to be marketing and advertising, yes. Then you have to add your location, you will simply add right here. And then we also have education. So in education I'm gonna actually add my education, Harvard Business School. So we have added all the information. Simply click on save, and then all of the information will be saved. Now you can see right here we have the profile picture, we have the name, we have a headline, we have pronouns. So now you can see right here the profile is kind of like looking professional, right? And it's super easy to do. You can do that as well. Now you have everything right here. Add profile section. You can go ahead and add different sections to your profile in order to kind of like manage it more. Then you have where do you currently work. So you can see right here now I have moved from 3 to 4 stars right here. This is actually pretty amazing. So I'm going to click on add position as well, and we will add skills too, so that we can raise our bar. Where do you currently work? So I'm going to go with marketing. So now I have a position as well. After that, you can see right here we have experience, we have education, then we have interest right here. Now another thing that kind of like makes your profile stand out is going to be the number of connection you have. So I suggest you simply go ahead and add connections right here. Connect with people. The more connections you will have, it will show that you are more professional. And you can see right here the profile now kind of like looks professional. You can add your own URL as well. This is really important. Go ahead and add your website URL. It will help you stand out. Another thing that you want to do is work on the SEO. Make sure to go with SEO friendly headline and SEO friendly post, so that your post can actually land higher and people will have an idea that okay, this person knows about the SEO, and they know what they are doing. So this will actually help you increase your profile and grow your business on LinkedIn. And now you know how to improve your LinkedIn profile. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and if this tutorial really helped you, then make sure to recommend it to others as well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time the channel uploads a new video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.